For somebody to have a conservator appointed, they have to be mentally incapable of handling their own affairs. And it can be based on a permanent condition. Like, for example, we handle a lot of personal injury cases involving traumatic brain injuries. And sometimes folks who have traumatic brain injuries, they're still alive, they're still functional, but they're just not able to handle the complexities of day-to-day life or of handling financial affairs. And so if a medical doctor or a team of medical doctors comes to this conclusion, then a court, in our case, the probate court in Georgia, would get involved and make a determination on their own as to whether or not this person can make their own decisions for themselves. And if necessary, they would appoint a conservator to handle financial matters and a guardian to handle personal matters. Sometimes it's a family member. Oftentimes it's a stranger because of the conflict that can come up when a family member gets involved with money.
Yeah, the theory of the conservator, think about all the other ways it's in the law. Guardian ad litem, that's one way. Administrator of the estate. So in different sets of circumstances, mental health, physical incapacity. So let's say you have someone who is either injured, in a coma from an accident, or in Metro Atlanta, a gunshot wound. Well, they may be incapacitated to manage their finances, their family affairs, their business affairs, and perhaps they don't have a good will, which everybody listening should have a will. Call us if you want us to find you someone to get you a will, because that's the phone call we get also. And my brother-in-law died without a will, and now we don't know what to do with the house and this and that. But it's a cautiously used process by the courts. The courts are going to want a psychological evaluation, a mental evaluation. So if there's substance abuse issues, we want to get to the bottom of it. Many times there are pre-approved lawyers who serve as either guardian ad litems, perhaps in child cases, adoption cases, or prior conservators, maybe a lawyer who's also a CPA, to take care of the finances of the individual or perhaps that person's business.